Hello, here we have a enum, which is a user-defined data type in C, and we have a variable, which is data, the enum variable, and we have set of um, integral constants. Basically, we call them enumerators here, and this is one integral constant, and then we have a integer here basically, and then integral constant. Now what we are doing is, in the main we are trying to print the value of this integral constant. So let us just try to build this and see. After running this, what we see is error unexpected identifier before numeric constant. So what it says is it is in line number 4. So that means what has happened is when the build has happened, it has identified 45, which is actually a constant value which is being mentioned here, but enum basically allows identifiers for these constant values, okay, and it doesn't allow integers directly. So for example, if we put a identifier here, okay, and then when we try to build, we can see it runs and it provides 2 as value, okay. So what does this mean is, so basically the first um, identifier will be assigned 0 by default, and then the second one will be assigned 1 and third one is 2. So that is why we can see that 2 is being printed here. So we have to understand that enum data type only allows identifiers. It doesn't allow numeric constant. It allows numeric constant when you are trying to assign 60. Example, let us assume that we assign 65 to this 5. So we said that this starts with 0, right? And let us try to build this. And when we build, we can see it returns 66. What does this mean is the first value is assigned 0, 1 is assigned 0, and 5 is assigned 65, and the next value or the next identifier will be assigned the incremented value of this integer, which will be 66. So 1 will be 0. If we print all of them, okay, okay, now what we are doing is we are actually trying to print all of them, okay. So when we print all of them, you see the first one is assigned 0, the first identifier is assigned 0, second one is assigned 65, and third one is assigned 66. While this is only an example, and generally when we are using this in programming, we use proper naming so that these names can be used throughout the programs and can be identified with a integral constant. So that's how this can be used, the enum can be used.